What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We got the E60 out, we're going to a cruise, so let's see where the night takes us. For all you haters from the last video, we're gonna read the comments at the end of the video, so stick around and you'll get your answer. Alright guys, we stopped for gas. We also need a quart of oil, so we're gonna do that and get on our way. So yeah guys, we're in Alif's E60. It's a 08 LCI running on BC coilovers. It has new sticky tires, downpipe, MHD2 plus tune, and maintenance. So other than the maintenance, Alif, has this car been good to you?
Yes, I actually love and enjoy this car. Honestly, I bought it with 70,000 miles on it. And I put quite a bit, miles into it, and of course it's going to be an expensive end of the day because it is a sports car, especially with the tune and everything, but it's been pretty reliable other than just a regular maintenance, I would say, or the supporting part that actually goes out. The block itself is very reliable, the differential is very reliable, the transmission is kind of slow but also good, cannot beat it.
Oh, and you gotta understand that this transmission is 20 some years old,
Yes, 100%. If you're someone that wants to mess with the transmission tune, you could get XHP, flash it, and you'll be so much like you could copy the IS feeling of it.
So yeah guys, let's go to the meetup spot and see what's up. Yeah guys, we're gonna go scan the QR code. This is some Fast and Furious shit right here. Man, I always wanted an E46. Shit, I'll take F82. Huh? E36?
E36.
The cops are here. We're probably gonna start moving soon. So, yeah. This guy's got a supercharger. Carbon hood. Wow, which one would you take? G80 or F80?
None.
This is how you know it's time to go. yeah, guys, we're just gonna go to the next spot. They're doing some crazy shit there in the middle. This is how you get cops to hate you. This is actually how you ruin the car scene as well.
Yeah, honestly, guys, I thought we came out here for cruising night. Maybe we thought we were gonna do some highway pools, have fun. But we personally do not condemn those takeovers, especially shutting down, intersections and causing up the traffic. Like, trust us, we're all about fun, we're all about going fast, but this is just not it. This is like not just our piece of cake,
Yeah, because this way you get bad reputation and you have lawmakers trying to shut everything down. In California, it's stringent already with the smog. This just gives them an easiest reason.
It's only some shitty car that's doing burnout. It's not even some nice cars that's doing it. So, end of the day, is it really worth it? Like, look at all this traffic that's backing up. Like, bro, let's say I'm with my family and I don't want to be in the fucking traffic because of you.
Yep, and the McLaren ran away real quick. Alright guys, we're probably going to the last spot now. Man, some of these people drive crazy. There's a Supra. It's raining, so everyone slowed down. Feels like, oh look, someone crashed.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah, I saw it. Fuck.
It looks like a,
The tire came off.
yeah, it looks like a video game here.
GTA 5 in this bitch.
Like a security, but not sure. Oh yeah, that's security. Yup, night's over.
Yeah, man, one too many cops.
Too many cops.
Way too many cops. And some people already got pulled over.
Yeah, I think we saw one accident and someone got pulled over. There's a group right here. I guess everyone's just getting gas and probably gonna take off after that.
Oh my god. Passenger princess. Action.
Passenger prince, bro. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. The meet's pretty much over, everyone's going home. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, last video we got a whole bunch of hate comments, so let's go through them. So the first one is typical BMW drivers. This one actually my friend. Alright, so next one is oversteered, panic brake, going downhill, sending all the way to the front, and then the rear slid out. Do you kind of agree with that, or what do you think? What happened?
Yeah, I agree. Yes.
Watching the video a few times, yeah, it does look like that's exactly what happened. So yeah, main 3, good eye. Gotta be more careful next time. Alright, so next one.
Yeah.
Damn, the Z3 boys back at it again. Ha ha ha. No, joke. Hope you all are okay. Thank you, man. Gasometer. Thank you for being kind.
Appreciate you.
We're happy too that we are fine. Everything's good. Nothing. The car is broken, but it's not that broken.
It was just the control arms. I mean, I was gonna replace them anyways, so just gives another reason.
Alright, so next one. Lol. In the canyons with the steering wheel cover. Like, bro, it makes the steering wheel thicker and I think it's more grip. And if it was sliding around, I'd open it by now. So for you to say that without even knowing if it's tight or not, it's like...
Not everybody drives the Honda Civic, man.
Yeah, this guy's just a hater. Big Mustang wrote, "Don't worry, it's only a Z3." Yes, Mustang, you are definitely right. This is just a fun car. The reason we bought a Z3 is so we can beat on it and have fun. If it comes down to it, break it and fix it up again and not care too much. If you look at the channel, we have other cars we drive and enjoy. Are you ready? This one's for you.
Yeah.
Oh, and me. Clearly just a driver that doesn't know what he's doing. Yeah, tires might be bad, but God, this was some awful driving to watch. What's the point of fun driving if you're gonna sit in fourth gear the entire time in your 126-cylinder BMW? That was written for me. My car's 225 horsepower. Let's get that out of the way. Not that it matters. Man, the thing is, I want to make an entertaining video, but at the same time, I want to be safe. You know, I'm on public roads. I want to be safe. I want others to be safe. So for me to be speeding, I don't think I'm gonna do that. But if you want me to downshift more and be higher in the rev range, I'll do it, man. My 120 horsepower 6-cylinder BMW can probably handle that. So for you, Mr. Lex, I'll try to do that. Flippy91 wrote, "Don't think it was because of your tires."
I mean, no,
It
the
wasn't
tires-
actually.
Yeah,
It wasn't.
yeah.
The tires were old, but it wasn't because of the tires. Maybe
It was honestly
a part of it,
I
but
feel
not the
like,
entire thing.
as being the driver, you know, it was the traction that messed me up. I didn't have the traction on. I feel like if I had the tractions off, I could have counterclocked it better and would have gripped it. Cause the whole reason I swing right and the car tried to, like, you know, swing it the other way, and I tried to swing it back, but the traction kicked in, and that's when everything went Hail Mary.
Alright, William Snow. Bro needs to be banned from Azusa Canyon. This is a good one.
Bro, honestly, there's been worse drivers. I still drove off. You know, there's some driver caused a shutdown of the canyon, so I guess I haven't made it to the top yet.
Alright, there's one big comment by Mediocre Man. It's a nice comment. Thank you, man, for writing kind words. We appreciate it. So
But
yeah,
anyways, guys, end of the day, just enjoy your car, drive however you want it, and just make sure you're not hurting other people. If you don't care about yourself, that's fine, you know, but just make sure whatever you do in the process, you don't harm other people, you know. You have fun. Make sure, yeah.
yeah, man, I had a good time tonight, but I wasn't too fond of the whole takeover thing they were doing there.
Yeah, honestly, we actually didn't know that it was gonna be a takeover.
Yeah, a lot of people
And
left.
Otherwise, we wouldn't even be there in the first place.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be putting this segment at the very end, after the outro. So if you stuck around and watched the video till now, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.